Hello guys, and welcome to another amazing episode here today on the best profitable products to sell online right now, where I come on here every single day and I reveal a new product that you can tap into right away and start making you a whole lot of money online. So if that sounds like a cup of tea, be sure to hit the red subscribe button, okay? And hit the bell notification button, because if you don't hit that notification button, you will not be notified each time I release a new video. So be sure to hit that bell notification button. Okay guys, so today's product is another amazing product I found. I actually saw an ad pop up and I went on TikTok and I did a search to see if I could find, people actually creating videos with this product. And this is actually a great product for us women, especially who are into makeup, or anyone actually who is into makeup in general. So this is not just a makeup storage box, but it actually comes with a mirror and an LED light. Okay, so this is not only great for things like travel, but you can actually have this on the go. I'm just going to play the video so you guys see how it works. Okay,
if you're like me and you've got makeup, brushes, and accessories just all over the place, then you need this Melina organizer. It's got a detachable light up mirror that can either stand on its own or can be attached to the makeup case itself. It's super portable, so you can take it with you when you travel, and it's perfect for getting ready on the go.
So let's talk about, the key product sourcing criteria and whether or not this is a product to definitely look into. So as usual, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go onto Google Trends to find out if there is a demand for this product. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go on there and search for something like makeup. I believe it's a makeup case. Yeah, makeup case. Just to see the sort of trends. And I'm just going to go here and I'm just going to change that to worldwide. So we get a better data and 2004 to present. So we can see how that has changed over the years. So you can see this is a product that is slightly stable. Okay. So you can see from 2004, it was kind of here and then it kind of went down in the dip, not sure why, and then it's kind of shoots up in July and then it goes up again, down, and then December, January it shoots up again. So it seems to kind of take off around December 2007, December 2008, December 2009, December. So we can see this is probably a very hot selling product around November, December period. So right now we are approaching November, December. So what better time to tap into this product than right now? The trends are telling us that over the course of the last 10 years or so, this product has been going up, okay, around December, January. So I'm just trying to understand why this product is taking off during that period. And the only thing that I can think of is Christmas time. This is an amazing Christmas present, guys. Okay, this is a great Christmas present to give any girl, any lady, any woman out there. You give it to your wife, your mom, your grandmother, your mother-in-law, your sister, your niece. This is an amazing Christmas present, guys, that is really going to brighten any woman's life out there, or any man out there who wears makeup as well. So I can kind of tell why this product is kind of shooting up. You can see December, it seems to be going up December. So this is definitely a December product, guys, that you want to tap into. I wouldn't really consider it a seasonal product. You could think it's a seasonal product, but it's not quite a seasonal product, because you can see it's not gone down up to this level down here. Okay, so you can see the lowest it went down was around February 2004, but ever since then it's just been going up from there. And even when it's gone down, it's not gone down to the point where it's like down at the bottom of that line, which is what we're looking for. Okay, so this is definitely not a seasonal product. It just means that the product sells more around Christmas time. So guys, there you go. This is a product you can tap into right now and make you some great money over the Christmas period, because the trends are telling us that this thing is selling around November, December. It's shooting up. It's skyrocketing around December period. You can see that has happened over the last 10 years. So there is a high possibility that this is equally going to be selling in December 2022. This is October now, guys. This is a great time to tap into this product. We know that it's going to be going up. Sales are going to be picking up. People are planning towards Christmas. So let's go to Amazon. Okay, I already have the tab open. Let's see how much people are buying this product for. So what are people selling this product for, and how much are people willing to spend on this product? So at the moment on Amazon, this product is being sold for like $30. That's like the average price that I've seen on Amazon, which is still really, really affordable for this product and what it does, okay, and the functionality that comes with it. Okay, so Amazon is telling us that you could sell this thing for like $30 and actually have people not complain about it, because people are already buying the product for that price. Okay, so that's a great way to research on your price. So what we're going to do next, of course, is find a vendor or a supplier that can manufacture this product for us at a super, super low price to allow us to make a profit, okay? So what better place than Alibaba.com? As usual, I've already done some searches there and I came across this one, which seems to be a very good one. It's a verified supplier and the cost price per unit is really, really affordable. So you can see obviously the more units you buy, the lower the cost price per unit. So you can actually buy this thing, guys, $7.10 per product, and if you add shipping into it, it's probably going to take you to around maybe $10 at most per product, okay, per unit. So let's just assume that you were able to buy this product for like $10 and resell it for like, $30. You're making like $20, guys. $20, and you can sell this thing for way more than what Amazon is showing us here. I actually found this website is quite popular with the product. It's actually £38, sorry, which equates to around $40, guys. They're actually selling that for around $40 plus, and they're getting quite a lot of good reviews. You can see from the pictures that people are living under that product, guys, and this is because they're selling under their own website. They've actually branded themselves, okay? Unlike just relying on selling on Amazon and competing with all the other sellers, this company is actually selling under their own website, which means that they can charge an even higher price. They can brand themselves. They can go out there and run Facebook ads. You cannot do this with Amazon, for example, okay? If you want to make even more money with this thing, you need to go out there, go the extra mile, and actually brand yourself and sell under your own website. Amazon is great because it's already popular. However, you're going to be competing with so many other sellers there, especially if it's a very, very popular product. So what you want to do is go the extra step and actually create your own website, because then that allows you to do things like run Facebook ads, which then means you can reach out to the billions of people worldwide who are looking for makeup cases, okay? And you can charge an even higher price, okay? That's how you stand out from competitors, and that's how people are going to spend more money on you versus somebody else, okay? That's just a branding tip for you guys, okay? So we can sell this product, let's just say $30, like we're just trying to penetrate the market, penetration pricing, guys. $30 for this product, right? That's a new company just jumping into the industry. You still have the potential to make about $20 profit per product, okay? Bear in mind, we already have the shipping fee incorporated there, so that has already been added. $30 is what is going into your pocket. If you're not running things like ads, if you're just using, organic social media, sharing content, all that good stuff, you can save yourself a whole lot of money on expenses, okay? And you can make more profit, obviously. So this is definitely a product I would tap into, especially now the trends have told us that this product is skyrocketing between September and December, guys. This is definitely a product to sell right now. The cost price of this product is around $10. That includes the shipping, of course. So that's all factored into that cost price, which then leaves you with a whooping profit of $20, which is what we're looking for. A product that you can sell anywhere from 2 to 3 times the cost price plus shipping is definitely considered a profitable product. Okay, guys, I hope you found this training useful in regards to a profitable product that you could potentially tap into right away and start seeing some incredible results. Now, I know the number one question that is probably going through your mind right now is, how do I get started? How do I create my online store? How do I go out there and start selling these products? I don't have the money to go out there and buy all these wholesale products in bulk and then start reselling it to my customers. Then I would like to introduce you to this incredible platform called dropshipfinds.com. With dropshipfinds.com, you can start your online store without the need to buy any wholesale inventory in bulk. The platform already has vendors that are willing to ship out the products directly to your customers as they order. So basically, your customer comes to your website to buy the product, but unlike going out there and buying wholesale and hoping that the product sells, the supplier is literally going to ship out the product directly to your customer without you having to buy anything in bulk beforehand. This is an all-in-one dropshipping platform that creates your website preloaded with hot profitable products you can start selling right away, and there's a bunch of different products to choose from. You get your website designed, you gain access to all the vendors that are going to be able to send these products out directly to your customer. You even gain access to samples of the product, guys, that you can sample out yourself, okay? So the sample is going to be shipped out to you, and you'll be able to use that to start creating content on social media and also use that to test the quality of the products, okay? So this is an all-in-one incredible dropshipping platform, guys, that I highly recommend for you guys who want to start making money selling products online, but you just don't have the money to buy thousands of inventory in bulk. Dropshipping is a great way to test the market and see how things are working out before you go out there and spend all that money on inventory. You can actually start making money on your dropshipping store, then use that money, guys, to buy wholesale inventory. Now, when dropshipping, I highly recommend, guys, that you start with a one product store. As a beginner, it's a good idea to tap into one hot product, establish yourself as an authority in that niche, okay? The conversion rates are usually much higher as well, because you're only targeting a very specific group of people that already have an interest in your niche. Plus, your marketing is going to be much easier, because you're not going out there trying to sell a bunch of different products every single day. You're focused on one product, and being focused on one product means it becomes easier for you to market your business, okay? You become that number one brand for electric diffusers, or the number one brand for whatever you're selling out there. That's how you build that brand reputation, guys, and literally kill your competition out there in the market. And as a beginner, it's easier. Your only concern is one product. You don't have to think about buying so many different products and, hoping that all these products are going to be great quality and spending all this money. You can just focus on one product. And if that product starts doing well, you can divert into other products, okay, once you've built that brand authority. Now, here are some of the things that you gain access to with Dropship Finds. Of course, you get your own website designed for you with a winning product of your choice. You get a domain name included for the year, okay, so that's a www.yourownbusinessname.com. And you also get web hosting included for an entire year. So you don't have to go out there and pay Shopify $29 a month for your website, because that service is already included within this platform. Now, this website does not use Shopify. It uses WooCommerce, which is a WordPress build plugin, okay? And the reason for this is because it gives users more flexibility to go out there and add things like apps, and, it's not as expensive as Shopify basically, and you still get a lot more things that can be done on your website, okay? So this is really a great beginner friendly and a really great way to get started as well. You also gain access to dropshipping suppliers. We actually have a directory with over 900 plus wholesale and dropshipping vendors that you will be able to gain access to, guys. It's amazing. And on top of that, of course, you're going to be able to get your orders fulfilled by your verified supplier. You also gain access. Here's another beauty about this platform. You gain access to a product sample. So whatever product you've chosen to sell, whatever website you've decided to purchase, guys, you're going to get a sample of the product shipped out to you at no extra cost, okay? And this is only applicable, of course, to the UK and USA only, because these are the countries that Dropship Finds is currently open to at the moment. So this is a great way, guys, to go out there and test the products. This is one of the biggest issues with dropshipping. You don't know what the product looks like in real life, and you're kind of concerned about what your customers are going to receive. With this platform, you're going to get a sample of the product you're selling shipped out to your own address, free of charge, okay? And then you can use that to create content, test out the quality of the product, and literally get started with your marketing, okay? This is amazing stuff, guys. You're getting the business and you're getting the samples to start marketing your business. Like I mentioned before, fast shipping times, okay? Again, this company only ships to the UK and USA at the moment, okay? So you don't have to wait 60 days or 30 days for your customers to receive their products. 5 to 7 business days, your customers will get their products, okay? Here's another amazing thing about this platform, okay? Oh my God, I'm super excited when I share Dropship Finds. You get done for you social media content. There's nothing worse than having an amazing website up and running and then not knowing what to post on social media. So how do you go out there and start attracting customers? This is what a lot of people struggle with. They have the businesses, but they don't know what to post on social media. Not anymore with Dropship Finds. So for every website that you get, you actually gain access to done for you social media content. So this is going to be things like images and videos that you can use as Instagram Reels, as TikTok videos, and even YouTube Shorts, guys. These have been created for you for a 30-day period. So you've got 1 month of marketing content done for you, ready for you to just download and upload it to your social media profiles. How amazing is that? If this isn't the easiest way to start your own online store, I don't know what else is, okay? You're literally getting access to everything. Is the laziest way, guys, to start your online store with no inventory. In addition to that, you also get your logo designed for you, okay? At no extra cost, of course. Marketing training courses at the back end. Like I mentioned before, you're going to learn how to use social media and email marketing to start attracting customers to your business. And again, email marketing, as you guys know, is one of the most powerful ways to market your business. If you're not building an email list, you don't have a business. This is something you cannot do if you're selling on Amazon or other third-party platforms, because those platforms own your customers' data. with your own website, your own branded website, you are able to collect your customer's name and email and use that to market to them over and over and over again, okay? This is powerful stuff. Plus, on top of that, you gain access to the private community of other members where you'll be able to connect, learn, and also gain access to monthly Zoom trainings to help you with your business moving forward, okay? So these are the amazing things that you gain access to with dropshipfinds.com. And if this sounds amazing to you guys, I will leave a link below this video. This is going to save you a lot of time and most importantly, a lot of money trying to put all the pieces together yourself, trying to go out there and pay for expensive websites, trying to design the website yourself, and then you have to figure out how to market your business, figure out how to find the best suppliers out there. Everything is included at dropshipfinds.com to save you all the stress, okay? So if that sounds like a cup of tea, you can head over to www.dropshipfinds.com and get your online store built today. And I will see you guys in the next video.